Hello students, welcome to my channel KT's Commerce Classes. Today again one total problem or full problem on cash flow statement part 8. Question given: from the following balance sheet of B Limited as at 31st 3 2018 and 31st 3 2019, prepare a cash flow statement. Particulars: note number 31st 3 2018, 31st 3 2019. Number 1, equity and liabilities. Shareholders fund contains a equity share capital, opening balance 5 lakh, closing balance 7 lakh. Reserve and surplus, statement of profit and loss, opening balance 2 lakh, closing balance 3 lakh 50. Non-current liabilities contains bank loan 1 lakh, closing balance 50,000. Current liabilities contains trade payables, creditors, opening balance 55,000, closing balance 52,000. Short term provision, opening balance 80,000, closing balance 1,20,000. Total opening balance sheet 9,35,000 liability side. Again closing balance sheet liability side is 12,72,000. Now asset. Number 1, non-current assets. A, fixed assets, opening balance 5 lakh, closing balance 5 lakh. That is tangible asset containing equipment. Fixed asset, intangible asset, patent, opening balance 1 lakh, closing balance 95,000. B, non-current investment, opening balance dash, closing balance 1 lakh. 2, current asset contains trade receivable debtors, opening balance 80,000, closing balance 1,47,000. Inventories, stock, opening balance 55,000, closing balance 1,30,000. Cash and cash equivalents, opening balance 2 lakh, closing balance 3 lakh. Opening balance sheet asset side total 9,35,000, closing balance sheet asset side total 12,72,000. Note to accounts, particular 31st 3 2018, 31st 3 2019. Number 1, short term provision contains proposed dividend, opening balance 50,000, closing balance 70,000. Provision for tax, opening balance 30,000, closing balance 50,000. Total of opening balance 80,000, closing balance total 1,20,000. One additional information given: during the year, equipment costing rupees 1 lakh was purchased. Loss on sale of equipment amounted to rupees 12,000. Rupees 18,000 depreciation was charged on equipment. First, we have to prepare working notes of equipment account and patent account. Equipment opening balance given 5 lakhs. Closing balance also given 5 lakhs. Equipment purchase, entry will be equipment account debit to bank, given 1 lakhs. Depreciation, entry will be depreciation to equipment. $18,000. Loss on sale of equipment given in question 12,000. By PL account, loss on sale given in question 12,000. We will close the book. The difference 70,000, that is sale of equipment. Now we have to prepare patent account. To balance BD, opening balance given 1 lakhs. By balance CD, closing balance given 95,000. We will close the book. By PL, account, patent amortized. How much? 5,000. Cash flow statement for the year ended 31st/3/2019, particular amount. Number A, cash flow from operating activities. First, we have to see net profit. Rupees 3,50,000 minus rupees 2 lakh equals to 1,50,000. Add provision for tax current year 50,000. Add proposed dividend current year 70,000. Total 2,70,000. That is net profit before tax and extraordinary items. Adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items. Add patent amortized 5,000. Depreciation 18,000. Loss on sale of equipment 12,000. Outer column 35,000. Total 3,05,000. That is operating profit before working capital changes. Add decrease in current assets and increase in current liabilities. Nil. Less increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Trade receivable, 67,000 negative. Inventories, 75,000 negative. Creditors, 3,000 negative. Total outer column 1,45,000. Cash generated from operating activities, 1,60,000. Less income tax paid, 30,000. 1,30,000. That is cash flow from operating activities. Now number B, cash flow from investing activities. Sale of equipment, 70,000. Purchase of equipment, 1 lakh. Purchase of investment, 1 lakh. Outer column negative 1,30,000. That is cash used in investing activities. Cash flow from financing activities C contains proceeds from issue of equity shares, 2 lakhs. Repayment of bank loan, 50,000. Dividend paid, 50,000 negative. Repayment of bank loan, 50,000 negative. Outer column 1 lakh. That is cash flow from financing activities. Net increase in cash and cash equivalent, A plus B plus C. It is becoming 1 lakh. Add cash and cash equivalent in the beginning of the year. Two lakhs. Total 3 lakhs. That is cash and cash equivalent at the end of the year.